In a world where Industry 4.0 is transforming everything, what are manufacturing leaders really looking for when they all come together in one place? When more than 45,000 professionals, 1,700 brands, and 850,000 square feet of innovation collide, the question becomes inevitable. Are they looking for machines, or are they looking for the future? At FABTECH 2025, booths stopped being showcases. They became full-on journeys, an immersive customer experience where every brand aimed not just to show a machine, but to reveal the factory of tomorrow. Imagine walking through an entire production line inside a single booth. Here, we actually lived it. The numbers speak for themselves. 65,000 visitors from 90 countries, 7 specialized halls, 1,700 world-class exhibitors, all with the same goal: boosting productivity, increasing profits, and discovering what's shaping the future. Did you know many visitors come with just one mission? To find that strategic partner who can change their business.
What are you looking for today at FABTECH?
Rollers, 3D lasers, a variety of things.
Well, today, it's been about 20 years since I've taken this show in.
Okay.
And so I'm here for new technology.
Okay.
Just anything and everything that fascinates the mind.
We're here because we're a marketing company that specializes in manufacturing and energy companies. So we are here to meet and find new potential prospects and clients to help them drive their business with performance marketing.
What have you seen here in FABTECH this year that you didn't see in last year's FABTECH?
Okay, this year FABTECH was huge, and I really mean huge.
Huge.
Other events, other FABTECHs are amazing also, but 2025, it's a really big event.
Yeah, I hear some of the stands here are bigger than last year's, right? They have bigger space and they have more machines to show.
Yeah, it's...
FABTECH is felt in every voice. It's the attendees who reveal its essence. Looking for innovation, looking for trust, looking for the future they need to build. FORZA experienced FABTECH true to its purpose, being there for people. Listening not just to what machine they're after, but to what keeps them up at night, what they dream of, what they expect from technology. Because for us, a customer isn't a number, they're our neighbor. And that brings up another key question. What matters more at a show like this? The technology you see or the trust you feel? Automation, education, and human support were the common thread in our presence. At FABTECH, we showed that innovation isn't just about cutting metal faster. It's about cutting down the barriers that hold companies back from growth. FABTECH Chicago 2025 left us with one clear truth. The future of manufacturing isn't built alone. It's built together. FORZA lives it. FORZA shares it. Because FORZA is FORZA. So, are you looking for machines or are you looking for the future?